guys, it's Katouche. I'm back again with a current faves for you guys. So I'm going to show you 5 of like my current favorite beauty faves, especially in this quarantine time, things that keep me going. It's a mixture of beauty and other stuff, but you'll see when the video gets going. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification so that you know every time I post a new video. And let's get started. I've put everything next to me in a basket so I can take them out and show you guys accordingly. So the first product I'm going to show is actually, I think, my favorite in the roundup this week, and that is the Roche Posay. Sorry, I don't really speak French. Laboratoire Dermatologique. Oh, none of this is in English. Oh wait, he's English. So basically it's cream, okay? It's the La Roche Posay cream. The front of it says it is a triple action balm for anti-scratching, anti-dry, skin flare-ups, and immediate soothing. Suitable for all ages, made in France. So La Roche Posay is a great like skincare brand. I was first introduced to it by my dear friend Jasmine. One of my flatmates got some sort of allergic reaction in halls when we were still at uni. So I went over to her flat and knocked on the door. I said, hey, do you have anything for a rash? And Jasmine, she's the plug. She has all the tips and tricks. And she reached into stuff and she took out a small tube of La Roche Posay cream. And I gave it to my friend to use, and she really liked it. So that was the first time I made note of the brand. And then my other friend Laura, I went to stay at hers, and she was saying how she loves this cream. And then I realized I actually had it at home. Sweetie, my sister, this video, it has a lot of names, but basically, so my sister had some that she'd bought when she went to Luxembourg, and she'd used it, but it was almost finished. So when I came home, I took what was remaining of it. You know, you unscrew the top of the cream and you splat it like that because you've run out. Basically, I did that with the cream, and I used what was left of it as like my face moisturizer, because that's what I use it for. Although it is for the whole body, I really like it for my face, especially if you have dry skin and sensitive skin. It's a really useful cream, and I use this after I've taken off my makeup in my nighttime routine. This is my go-to, as recommended by my aforementioned friend Jasmine, because this is what she uses, and she completely cleared her skin. So I'm like, if she uses it, I'm gonna use it. So that is the first one. It's the La Roche Posay cream. So yeah, I'll put all the details in the description bar below in case you're interested to buy it. It's on the pricier side. I think this cost me £18 or something. It's expensive, but it's worth it. And look how much you get. This is quite a big bottle. It's about 400 milliliters. And I have no clue. The next product is also for skin, but it's more directly used for makeup, and it is my Milk Hydra Grip Primer. So it's a bit dirty. It rolled around in some setting powder earlier. I apologize. This primer is sensational. I like primers that are very tacky, and it's called Hydra Grip. I like primers that moisturize, soothe, pore fill. I don't know if it's actually a dimethicone primer, which I lean towards more. I like to use silicone-based primers because a lot of my foundations are silicone-based, but I'm not actually sure what this one is. But all I know is that whatever it is, whatever they put in it, it's working. Milk, keep it up. I have very oily skin, but this isn't problematic because I find if you have oily skin, the best way to circumvent any like shine and to make your products last longer is to just set whatever primer you use with a setting powder, with a translucent powder, or a powder that's your color. It doesn't matter, but that often makes the difference more so than the actual primer. But primer is essential. And this one does the trick. I'm gonna try some new ones over the next few weeks, but this one so far I really like. So yeah, the Milk Hydra Grip Primer. The other thing that I've been loving of late for makeup is my Pears transparent soap. So you know the soap brow trend? There's actually a patented brand that makes soap brow products, but it seems a bit expensive. Essentially what you need is a glycerin based soap. Pears does the job. It's an old brand. When I actually bought them, my mom was like, I remember this from back in the day. Like, oh yeah, it says here with over 200 years of heritage. So there you go. My mom isn't 200, but she knows Pears. So I saw Chinute use it in her video, And I went straight to Amazon and I bought a big like multi-pack of them, and I love it and it lasts forever. I also use it to clean my brushes just because it's what's around at the moment. And basically I wet a little bit, make a small like paste. I brush a spoolie in it, I brush it through my eyebrows to give the illusion of rugged eyebrow hairs, and it works a charm. Another product that I've been absolutely loving at the moment, not at the moment, this is something that is, if you know, you know, it's for hair. So I'm going to show you, it's the Eco Styler Gel. Now, there are many Eco Styler Gels. There's a green one, there's a green one with a black lid, there's an orange one, there's a gold one, there's a blue one, there's a purple one, there's loads. I haven't used any of those. I've only used the original green olive oil based formula, I believe. And I think I used the flaxseed one with the black lid once when I was in Canada, because when I go to the hair shop, I always just buy this one. This is the argan oil based formula. Fantastic. The green one is rubbish. Rubbish. Okay, I have type 4 kinky hair, whatever you want to call it. My hair needs some assistance. If I want to have a hairstyle where I'm lying my hair down, I'm sleeking my hair, the products need to work. This works. This one with your silk scarf on top, it does the job. No matter how curly your hair is, no matter how coily your hair is, whatever the terms are. This I can recommend. This I can stand behind. This I would bet money on. The green, I only use it when this runs out and I don't really like it. So enough of slating the green. All I'll say is that if your hair looks anything like mine, I recommend this. Another product which I've been absolutely loving. What I should really do is actually demo it for you, but maybe I'll put a clip in the video with me wearing this product so you can see. It's a lipstick. So it is a Kiko lipstick. Lipstick is one of those things. Expensive lipsticks are lovely, but you don't have to necessarily spend so much money to get a really nice lipstick. Whereas I feel like with base products, foundation, concealer, not less so concealer, but foundations and primers, it's better to scale it up, you know. So this is the Kiko Magical Holiday Matte Lipstick in the shade 02 True Brown. Let me just take it out like that and show you. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can swatch it for you guys. I'll swatch it on my forearm. Okay, this is the color it looks like. It is absolutely stunning. It is one of the most flattering lipsticks I've ever worn in my life. Again, this was recommended to me by my dear friend Safa, who always puts me onto all the cool stuff with makeup. So this Magical Holiday lipstick is a limited edition Christmas lipstick, hence the red packaging. But I reckon they have something similar in their existing collection. So when the lockdown is over, I'm gonna make a task of going up to Oxford Street. I'm gonna go in to Kiko and see if I can match this to anything they have in their existing collection, and then I'll come back and tell you guys what I find. Or I'll go to MAC or NARS and see if they have something similar, because they have extensive lipstick ranges. But this color is perfect. It's like a terracotta, but it's a brown, but it's a nude. It's not a true nude. It's not a nude that disappears into your skin. And if you're my complexion, this with like a dark brown lip liner, I wear Chestnut by MAC. Sensational. Absolutely sensational. Lastly, I just wanted to show you guys something that I've been buying obscenely lately. Basically, I have a problem. I have a problem with spending money on things I don't need. And confession is the first step to rectifying the situation. So I'm being honest with you guys, completely transparent. So I thought, why not tell you guys the stupid things that I buy that I don't need. My latest obsession are these lovely products. These are toweling textured headbands, and they make me feel like an influencer. If I wear this around my head when I'm doing my makeup, my skincare, I feel like self-care queen. I'm taking care of myself. Everything's nice. So I like the ones with animal stuff on it. I have this adorable pig ear one that I wear. I have a rabbit ear one as well, but it's in the wash. And I have a Hello Kitty one because your girl loves Hello Kitty. So it looks a bit like Hello Kitty's head. And these, they're fantastic. Highly recommend. You can buy them. I buy mine from Korea actually. I get them from Yes Style. And they're sensational. Brilliant. all they do is I slide them on my head and then I do my makeup, and immediately you look like you're prepared for the video when you haven't necessarily done your hair. I mean, now my hair's done, so it's fine, but when I had my hair out before, those were a nice addition to the video rather than just wear my silk scarf. You know, it gives the video some pizzazz. So yeah, those are my current faves at the moment across beauty, skincare and hair. I'll make more videos like this because I have loads of faves. Everything is my fave, but these are things that I said, you know what, these are true, tried and true products. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. Comment below what your current faves are, or if you have anything you want to recommend to me, or which product I showed you guys today that you have tried and very much like. So yeah, once again, it's Katouche. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram and whatnot. And yeah, have a good day guys. Bye.